What's up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy, the Brother Charles. What we doing today is making a king-size bed frame out of wood pallets. Alright? Let's go. First what we're going to do is we're going to sand this thing down, get it all nice and smooth, get all the nails level, fix these cracks if they are fixable, and yeah, that's that. Let's go.
Who do you say I am? They say I was tied in your mind.
Okay, so what I'm doing right here is measuring my 2x10s so I can actually make the floating piece. The piece is going to support the actual pallets. Alright, and I'll cut them down to size, and then I'll show you guys in the next scene how it's going to look.
You were the realest, you were the end before the beginning. You were the image, we made it amazing how you did it. You were Mr. It is finished, you were life to the living. Victory over the villain, now we winning. You're the way, you're the
This right here is going to be the support. This is obviously going to be the floating support. So what I'm going to do is I cut these 2x4s down the side. I'm going to just take 2 of them and I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to nail them in here like this. So obviously this is going to have to go outside of here because I measured these off of them. Put that together that way. Alright. I guess you get the idea. If you would do it yourself, you pretty much get the idea. Alright, so it's going to go like that. And then I'm going to put these and hit this way like so. Put 2 of them. I would like to really have 3, but I didn't grab enough 2x4s from Home Depot. By the way, I did get all of this wood from Home Depot for a good price. So if you're looking to do something like this, Home Depot does have a good price. Yeah, so I'm gonna put 2 of them here, and maybe I'm gonna cut some more 2x4s, and they're gonna be the legs from here. So you want to get your measurement of the 2x10. You want to go down 2 inches because that's what this is already. So you want to cut 8-inch 2x4s. All right, let's get it.
We ain't worried about a thing, no. Guess that's why it's called fake. Even when you can't see, still know what it ain't for. I could get a whole bankroll, but it wouldn't matter if I'm not seeing lives getting changed, though. Look, dog, real talk, I can say the same thing for the fame, cause it ain't what I came for.
They say I was tied in your mind.
So I'm on my way to Home Depot now to get some fastener screws. The ones I thought I had were the ones I bought. I thought were long enough, but nah, not at all, bruh. But it's a learning process. Like I said, this is my first DIY, wood shop, woodwork project. So we learn. Experience. You gotta start somewhere. Let's do it.
Alright, so back from Home Depot. This is what I wanted to show you. I'll bring the camera over here. This is what I wanted to show you. This is what I was trying to explain, but it's better if I show it to you. So once I put these together, you're gonna put your 8-inch 2x4s that you cut off to support it. And I'm gonna just have 1 of those. Like I was saying, I would like to have 3 of these, but I'm gonna just do 2 of them for now, for the lack of having more wood. But we can get it together. Alright, so we got the pallets in the room now. Now we about to start putting them together. Alright, so now we got the pallets all put together. We got the support put together. My other camera actually died, so we're gonna put it together and then we're gonna let y'all see the finished product, alright?
have the floating bed frame, part one. Put a headboard on it, put some boards around it and some storage compartments a little later, but for the most part the main thing is there. Now it's time to go to bed.